Hello. There have never been an immigration policy change and travel restriction advisory in the world than before. Today we're going to talk about 2025 immigration updates in the US so that you can plan accordingly if you're visiting the US soon, applying for asylum, or student in the United States. Welcome. Hit the button subscribe to stay with us. Let's get started. Immigration update number 1. Visa revocations, political explanations, and reinstatement. In the beginning of Trump administration, Secretary of State Marco Rubio announced that the State Department has likely revoked thousands of visas, including those of foreign-born students involved in pro-Palestinian activism on the U.S. college and campuses. Those actions have sparked legal challenges and protests, with some students being detained before. Good news, most of the visa revocated has been reinstated following a Department of Justice interventions. Immigration records of those students have also been reestablished. So if you're a student, no problem. You can follow your visa updates right now by the respective department. 2. India travel agencies targeted. The US has imposed visa restrictions on certain India travel agencies accused of facilitating illegal immigration in the United States. This move has led to calls for stricter regulation on H-1B visa program, particularly concerning India nationals. 3rd, temporary protected status previously cancelled for El Salvador, Sudan, Ukraine, and Venezuela have been extended to 2026. Beneficiaries of those temporary protected status are encouraged to register during the specified periods to maintain their status. 4th, so before we go to the 4th update, if you are from those countries, El Salvador, Sudan, Ukraine, Venezuela, please give a shout out to them so that they know what is going on in regards to their status. 4th, refugee and asylum policy change. Resumption of refugee processing. Following a court order, the US has resumed processing refugee applications, though many cases remain on hold. Asylum and refugees may now proceed with follow-to-join cases, but must bear their own medical and travel expenses. 5th, special immigration visa holder from Afghanistan can travel now to the United States, provided they arrange and pay for their own travel. Previously, it was not possible since this special immigration visa was revocated. 6th, visa application and processing updates. There have been a change in the H-1B visa financial year 2026 cap registration. The registration period for financial year 2026, next year, H-1B cap opened on March 7, 2025 and closed on March 2024, which was a very short time. Employers who registered beneficiaries during this period can now submit petitions between 1st April and June 30, 2025. O1 visa guidance has been updated. USCIS, United States Citizenship and Immigration Services has updated its policy guidance for O1A visa, clarifying how evidence is evaluated for individuals with extraordinary ability, including those in emerging technology. This change may benefit entrepreneurs and self-employed individuals in the critical field. Green cards and family-based immigration. In-person interview resumed, which was previously cancelled. USCIS has resumed in-person interviews for family-based green card applicants, a significant shift from previous policies where many interviews were waived. Employment-based green card applications may also be affected. EB5 visa retrogression for India. The final action date for EB5 unreserved visa category for Indians has retrogressed to May 2019 due to high demand. Applicants from India may experience delays in green card processing. In the United States, real ID enforcement has begun. Starting May 7, 2025, a U.S. traveler must present real ID compliant identification to board domestic flights and enter certain federal facilities. Acceptable alternatives include valid passport books, passport cards, and enhanced driver license from selected states. There is also a proposal in pending registration regarding the Fairness for High-Skilled Immigration Act in the United States. Legislative reform for Fairness for High-Skilled Immigrant Act has been reintroduced in the 118th Congress. The bill aimed to eliminate per-country caps for employment-based green cards and reform the H-1B and L-1 visa program to prioritize American workers. EB5 visa replacement proposal. President Trump has said he aims to replace the EB5 visa replacement by the gold card. President Trump has proposed replacing EB5 investor visa program with a gold card requiring $5 million investment proposal. This are all the updates. If you have a question, comment, or idea, please share with us and subscribe to keep in touch and about the immigration around the world, in the United States, in Europe, and in the Middle East. Thank you. Have a great day. See you tomorrow.